Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time, error 1.500.7, this error code right here. So this will be a quick and easy guide on how to do it. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if this video helped you out. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your start menu. When you start menu, go ahead and type in view network connections. Go ahead and click enter. Once here, go to your network settings. It could be either your Ethernet or your Wi-Fi. Either way, go ahead and click on it and click on change settings of the connections. Right here, go to network protocol version 4. Go ahead and click on properties and click on use the following DNS server address. So the thing you need to do is type in 1.1.1.1 and on the alternate DNS server is 1.0.0.0.1. Go ahead and press apply and then OK. Disable your Wi-Fi or internet for like 30 seconds and then re-enable it. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your Rockstar Games and their error code should be fixed. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.